Incoming! Incoming, hot pan! Ah, hot pan! Hot pan! Ah, open the door! Open the door! Woo. There we go. That's how you do it. Make sure to get it off. There we go. Ha! I beat it! I found a loophole. But you still have to untie them. And the burner's still on. How are you going to do that? Uh-oh. Look, how do I untie it? I tried. We tried. Ah! No! Ah! Are you alright? Yeah. Alright! I beat you! Alright. Time for round 2. Alright, I'm going to place you in this conveniently placed bag so that I can carry you since you're still tied up. Alright. Let's go. Alright. I think this is as far as I can carry you. There's a car over there. Untie us first! Okay, I'll untie you guys. It's cold outside. I don't want to do it. Let's just get in this Lambo. I'm about to roll out. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's go. 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 Over here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where am I? What? No. Wait a minute. I'm colorblind. Okay, alright. Wait. Can I get like a color checker or something? Wait, where am I? The backyard, eh? Why does this mysteriously look like my backyard? I know it! Wait, where are they at? The neighborhood! Well, so I'm just gonna look. Where is these vials? Wait, red, yellow, blue, purple, green. Alright. Where are... Is that one? I hope it's one. Alright. I hope that fits. You have found the blue vial. Congratulations. Can I have a thank you for having me do all this? Alright, let's go inside. Where is it? Did we mention that you die if you don't find all 5 of the vials? No, that was easy. That would have been better to know earlier. Well, better to know now than later. Wait a minute, where'd the guy with the deep voice go? He's occupied. What do you mean occupied? Okay, anyways. Where's the next vial? Come on. Where is it? Where's that? Well, I'll be taking that. Nice. Alright, let's go. Where is it? Alright, where? Ooh, is that a test tube? Hopefully there's nothing in it. Or I dropped it. Alright. Nothing else in here. Oh! It's a pull door. Where is it? Is that me? Wait a minute. Oh, wait, is it? Why can't I find any of the other ones? Well, we did say they were over the neighborhood. Okay, let's just go look. Let's find. Where is it? Oh gosh, this isn't even fun. They could have at least made this more fun. But you know what? Making me actually have to do. Never mind. There we go. This is fun now. Yay. Oh my god! Look at the sunrise! It looks so beautiful! Oh my god! Oh my god! Into the unknown! Oh, wait a minute. What is that? Yep, that's important. Let's get that. Yeah. Whoop-de-doo. Oh my god, my hand is so brown. Let's go. At this point, I don't even know where I am. Where is it? Let's hope the neighbors have what I need. Where is it? I need a vial. Oh, God. Wait a minute. This is my house. Wait a minute. What is this? Is that a vial? Yoink! Oh, that's all I needed. What? Oh, it's a pull door. How can I always push pull doors and pull a push door? Let's get out of here!